I want to show how to create a perfect circle in Premiere Pro. Begin by going over to your toolbar and holding left-click on the rectangle tool, then selecting Ellipse. Normally, at this point, you would go over to your preview window and start drawing your circle, only to find that you can't make it perfectly uniform because the X and Y axis aren't scaled together. To correct this, simply hold Shift while creating your circle and it will always make it perfectly uniform. This also works the same for the rectangle tool, where holding Shift will actually create a perfect square rather than a rectangle. If you want to create an outline of your shape instead of having it solid, go over to Essential Graphics and uncheck the Fill option and enable the stroke. Then you can modify the value of stroke for the thickness of the outline.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.